But Keith, you were so right at the top of the hour. The temperature, not that different from yesterday, but a lot of sunshine, and it feels very different.
Sun is everything. I mean,
Yeah.
through spring, until you basically get to June, you're
Yes.
not usually going to be happy unless there's some sun involved in the forecast. And today's a perfect example of that. These temperatures are actually still below average for this time of the year. 47 in Portland, 47 in Wiscasset, although I think we're going to see a big jump between the 1155 rating, which is what you're looking at, and the 1255 rating. But either way, the key ingredient here is the sun. We do still have a little wind kicking around, especially along the coastline, 23 miles an hour in Portland. It's fine unless you're in the shade, then it feels cool with the wind blowing and temperatures only in the upper 40s for the moment. But there's the satellite. Looking good. Most of us outside of the mountains basically are sunny, and that's how we'll be through the rest of today. That's why I think we'll see a pretty decent jump in temperatures from now until the late afternoon. Our high temperature gets later and later as you get towards summer. So your high temperature in the winter might be 2 p.m. and it's about 3:30 or sometimes 4 in the summer. So we're in between those two right now. So looking good again, temperatures upper 50s, maybe a low 60, although we have to do a lot of catching up to get there. Tonight is cool again. Last night was pretty cool, dropping down into the 30s for the most part. Then we've got a front nearby tomorrow, and that'll give us some clouds initially, especially in the mid-coast and over southern Maine. But we'll lift this front out of here through the middle of the day, and the afternoon looks a lot better than the first half of the day. Temperatures again, low 50s along the coast, upper 50s to around 60 farther inland when we get away from that ocean influence. Not even necessarily a sea breeze, it's just being close to the ocean with the temperature there about 45 or 46 last check. And then we roll into Saturday, and it's fine on Saturday. That's kind of how I've been selling it, right? It's not a great looking day, but it does stay dry. But I mean, look at these temperatures. They really do struggle. 50 to 55 should about do it for our high temperatures on Saturday. I think it'll be even a little bit more cloudy than this model is depicting. That's because there'll be a front nearby. So we've got a warm front up here and a cold front back here. That close to a front, we're likely to be on the cool side. And then here comes some rain on Sunday. It'll start in the morning all over western Maine. It'll take until the afternoon over down east and northern Maine. I don't want to harp on it, but it's just a fact. Our pattern does not look great from now through the beginning of May. We'll get some decent days in there, but on average, we'll see more showers and cooler temperatures. That'll be kind of our default spot, and it will take a weather maker to change that, to put us in a position where maybe we're a little bit warmer. So I'm trying to be more positive about this, Brian, because yesterday I know Amanda said that I was being a little too negative, but this is just the pattern we're in. It's not terrible, and of course, a lot of times this, we would kill for this in the middle of winter.
Oh, right.
Just, relatively speaking,
It's always relative.
not the pattern that you want.
But the sun helps today. All right, Keith, thanks so much.